Probably should have started this video a little earlier so that I could give you a before. But anyhow, this is a set of VB21 carbs. Old Honda had the non-replaceable needle and seats in it. Well, what we did is bored that out, yanked it out of there. If you put it in a mill machine and just run it about 1/1000th off center, once you get that piece cut, out it comes. Then I tapped it 10mm by 1.0, and I got these nice Yamaha screw-in needle valves, 82, 84 Yamaha Virago. You get a nice screen on the bottom, and the other thing you have to do is this deck height. You need to lower this thing about 5/16 of an inch, so that when you put the new seat in, it's not standing too high. But nice fix on these, makes it serviceable. I said these old Hondas are just hard to deal with, but there you go with a new seat, new needle, and sure to run like new now. So it's not too hard to do. If you got the Bridgeport, it's real easy. You can get by with a drill press, but it's kind of hard to lower that deck height. Like I said, you got to drop this about 5/16 of an inch in here, so that when the float goes on, it's not stacked up too high, and you try and keep it level. But not too bad to do. If you can't do it yourself, send them to me, and I'll do them for 40 a carb plus the needle and seat. So hope it bails you out. Some of these old VB21s, VB22 Keihin carburetors are just a nightmare, and this will get that old bike running again. Thanks for watching.